Okay, so this is an assignment for our technical writing class. It's a grant, much like the one that we created for Habitat for Humanity, but this is a chance for each of you to show off your individual skills. So this is taken from another college. It's called the Empowerment University Campus Improvement Grant. So I'm just going to go over quickly what the assignment is. You can see that this is a college that gives away money for student projects that somehow enhance their university. And I've changed the names to call it Empowerment University. So you can read a little summary up here of the grant as we did when we were doing the Habitat for Humanity grant. And I just want to go over some of the parameters down here that you might be a little bit confused about. When it says name of the project, you're going to name your own project, okay? So it's not something that you have to, dig around or find. This is the name of your proposed project to be funded. For the name of the contact person, you're going to use your own name. So unlike with Habitat where we put their name in, you're going to put your name in here. For a sponsoring campus organization, you might actually have, I'm encouraging you to use our resources here on our campus. You don't have to go out and ask a campus to sponsor you because this is all hypothetical. This is just an exercise. But what I'd like you to do is look up on our website and see if there are any campus organizations that you think would match your project proposal. And you're going to use that. You don't have to ask, again, you don't have to ask permission, but you can put an organization down that you think would be good. The total amount of funds requested, you have to read the summary above of what's available for the grant and then make sure that it meets that criteria. Your description of the project, here is where I'm going to be looking for you to be specific and organized, right? So you're going to use your technical writing skills here to describe the project. This shouldn't go on for pages. It should just be a couple of paragraphs, really, because it's a small amount of money, as we know. But you're going to say exactly what it is that you would like to do. Okay. How will this project benefit students at the university? Again, so you're going to a couple of paragraphs here as clearly stated as possible. How many students will benefit? You have to make a call on this, much like we did with the Habitat. You have to think about this. You're going to have to, find how you're going to explain how students will benefit and how many. How does this project align with the university mission? So you have to go look up our college mission. Don't go trying to find Empowerment University. Look for our college and find out what its mission is and then cross-match that, much like we did again with the Habitat grant. How will the grant funds be spent? And that is a little brief narrative or budget about how you would break up the spending of your grant funds and be very specific. You can do this in a table, you can do this in a chart, but as you know, the numbers have to add up. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of how you are going to spend these funds. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in class or email. But I want you to basically follow the same kind of structure that we did in the Habitat project. Okay, good luck.